subs, I'm back. This was before, but obviously man starting it again. Listen, look, you see this music thing is a passion. That's why I'm gonna start rapping. Once I get the money, chance will be stacking. Any beef, you know I'm backing. Life is twisted, you can get stabbed up quick, lay dead or in hospital, begging for stitches. My boy Renz, he got the bitches, any numbers and he'll get the digits. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna blow, keep making more tunes. Life ain't easy, guys out there trying to tease me, triggers get squeezy. You're only a real G if you're from Eve. You're running with the streets with my team G. Team nasty, I rip up the nanny, la la la. Listen, look, I don't like the look of the station, so I make sure I ain't writing any statement. My life ain't great, dad left me when I was a baby. It was much to raise me up on the estate. I'm gonna make it with the rapping game, trust me. I'm gonna get to a better place. It takes time, fam, you gotta wait. Be patient, fam. Listen, look, I ain't really a bad guy. Been surrounded by too much gang life. I hold my hands, how I'm gonna say I did put a knife to my girl's fly. Now listen to me and stay fly. Money over bitches, brothers come first. Never been a day gone by where I think of her. Mama needs you in my life, cause to me this is a fright. I love you, mum.